too as Amazon fails. Welcome to the channel. Bearded Picker here. Friends, subscribers, internet strangers, what's up? I know you come to see what the hell did Bearded Picker buy again today. Probably gonna be some of the same as yesterday, not quite as many boxes. So this time we'll do a little filler after I open the boxes and laugh about the stuff again. The garage / office is an absolute disaster, but I'll give you a tour. It's pretty much set up the way I'm gonna keep it for a while. So there's that. So anyway, on with the show. I bet half this stuff is what we saw yesterday, but the garage tour will make it something interesting. Look, a repeat offender. Something for an ion camera, snap cam lights. Damn, fine. Something from Medieval Walmart. Damn you, Sam Walton. Putting stuff so cheap that I'll buy it for no apparent reason. One of the comments made a great point. Someone said, man, if I knew it was that much cheap to get stuff back, I'll just have them send it to customers. No. That is against terms of service. That will get you, if I had a sledgehammer, I'd hit it on the countertop here. That'll get you banned. So this is a good one, Craig. It is a MP3 player plus video. It really is an iPod copy, if you can see that. It looks just like a iPod Nano from, I don't know what generation, the longer ones. It is a 4 gigabyte MP3 player plus video player. I can't imagine the video you can see on that. Alright, another dusty box. Next. Hey, at least we got something different this time. I got a feeling there's more than one of them. I recalled free recalls. I recalled a bunch of stuff. Number 3, AMD 1800 plus processor. Bubbles, boxes, yeah. Free. Christmas at all Santa Vault was used boxes for eBay. Santa Claus, don't put me on a naughty list anymore. You're killing me. It's terrible even looking at this box. How many of these did I buy? Oh my God. Hey, at least we have some different size boxes this time. Maybe we got some different materials. But don't worry, UPS did a good job of smashing that one. Appreciate that. They did such a good job of smashing them. And look at this one. I don't need a knife for that one. Great job for UPS. Something different. You see how big this box is? You think they could have put it in anything. And it still got beat to hell because it moves all around. And smashed where the box goes. It is a toy. It is Spider-Man Sinister number 6 motorcycle guy. One of those blast and goes. I think his little gun shoots and you pull him back and he goes forward. Yeah, good luck with that one. Another big box. Could there be more Spider-Man? If y'all noticed the stuff that I recalled, it wasn't something I had one of. It was stuff I had multiple of, and that's where it gets you. You know, you get a monthly charge, and then after 6 months, you get a monthly charge on long term as well. So, if you look at their little chart down in the bottom corner, it'll tell you excess inventory. If you click on it, it'll show you all your inventory that it thinks is excess. That's more than 365 days old. I mean, that it'll take to sell them, and what it'll charge, what it estimates it'll charge you in storage before you sell it. Some of the numbers were ugly. I'm kind of real excited with those blasters. Ta-da! A lot of this stuff. Spider-Man, get back up here. A lot of this stuff like Spider-Man here. I'll look up on eBay, and if it's worth listing, I'll list. But if not, this is good stuff just to donate. Be done with it. There is a rescue mission about 3 miles from here. I've got a box over there and it's already full. I need to start another one. Are y'all sad you've come to the end of the boxes? Then I will switch cameras. I'm gonna put the GoPro on my head and see how that works. So I've got a head mount. Oh, this one's got some weight to it. But it's also got some dent to it. Y'all see that? Let's see, how much does this one weigh? 2 pounds. 2 pounds. I know y'all thought, that damn bearded picker, he told us there were going to be more of these. Well, there you go. Yokai Watch trading card game. I got 2 pounds worth. How many does it take to make 2 pounds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 18, 20 of them. I mean, I'll check eBay to see how these things do on eBay because they're so light, man. They would go for the 4-ounce rate, which is 262, 265, something like that. Whatever it is, but oh my gosh. Alright. Well, that concludes this portion of the show. I'm gonna go. Anybody like the Bigfoot hat? I believe. I was at Gatlinburg, and a man with a bald head with all the sun needs something to put on his bald head. I'm like, damn, Bigfoot hat. Bigfoot hat. You damn right, Bigfoot hat. So anyway, in the comments below, anybody else believe in Bigfoot? Come on now. The big hairy creature of the woods. Anybody else? I grow a little more hair. I could be Bigfoot. Anyway, I'm going to switch cameras and give you a tour. Tomorrow's episode. All those videos. On tomorrow's episode, we'll find more crap in boxes. Actually, I'll do a show tomorrow. For those you don't know, Thursday mornings, 7 a.m. Central Standard Time. The reseller breakfast chat. Come join us. We talk about a lot of nonsense, reselling, life, whatever in general. Just a good way to start the day. Get the juice flowing, get ready to go to work here at the old eBay factory, Amazon factory. So I needed a thumbnail. And you just had to see this because I feel the one on my chest doesn't feel so bad, but when you walk around with this thing on your head, that's a different story right there. And I don't need any help looking crazy. I've got that one down pat. Alright, off to the tour. Alright, the tour begins there with a door and a garage door. I don't know how fast I'm panning, but between the two doors here, this door goes into our backyard, that door goes out to the garage. I'm sorry, out to the driveway. These two shelves, they don't really fit there, but they were free, so gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with that space still. Does everybody else have a roll tide roll and an elephant on their wall? Well, I just put the decorations up today. Everybody else have a picture of the bear? Can we have a moment of silence for the bear? The great one. Roll tide. For those of you who didn't know, I am a graduate of the great University of Alabama, so it helps in my madness. Just some miscellaneous drawers. This is the shipping station here. I know this camera's pretty wide. I have a shrink wrapper. There's the battery charger. I can't find the drill. These desks here, these tables came from a dry cleaner that closed down. I got them in an auction so I could put all the boxes underneath them. Refrigerator, microwave. Let's see what's in the refrigerator. Anybody want to bet on some Diet Coke? All right. 3 Diet Cokes, some strawberries, beer, all kinds of varieties of beer. You never can be too prepared with all the beer. Is there anything in the freezer? Empty. Trash can. The middle aisle here, there's a set of tables across the back. That stuff's just not floating in air.
The rest of the boxes, and I've actually written down on the front of them what's in front of each one, so I know the sizes. A little drawer here that catches junk. This printer here is, I stick my laptop right here and do FBA. All that stuff over there. From the TV forward is all FBA stuff that's got to go in. Here is the desk. The neat printer I've not got working yet. The neat desk. They're both 32-inch monitors. There's the computer I got for $249 at Walmart. There's a printer. Since I'm in the garage outside, everybody needs one of these. It is a Bug Assault 2 salt gun. Last night I left the garage open too long and I had all kinds of critters in here, so the entire desk was covered in salt. I don't know how good you can see it, but there's still salt on the printer there. The camera I use for to take eBay pictures is an Alpha 3000 Sony. This is a mirrorless camera. I don't think you necessarily need one this nice, but I picked it up for $35 on Walmart clearance. It was 90% off, so I thought to myself, when are you ever gonna get one that nice? You got $35 in it, just keep it. So I got a filing cabinet. I got two more that are gonna come right here. There's some auction stuff there. Everything on these shelves, except for the boxes, we're not selling boxes. We're trying to give those to Dusty. There's everything from the bottom down has been listed on eBay. The big boxes, those two have been listed, and the cameras, that's my security system I haven't installed yet. These are just waiting on. The boxes are stuff that's got to go to Amazon when I create the listings, and the chocolate maker is actually listed on eBay. I should probably take that $10 sticker off before somebody buys it. Testing area, TV. I was testing VCRs yesterday. I tested 4, they all work fine. Tested 4 Wii's and reset the Wii's. I sold 2 of them already. That's where I keep reaching for the camera because I can't quite reach the tripod across the desk. Everybody liked my blue office chair. Such a nice color blue. Harlan and I were at the yard sales the other day, and I asked the guy, how much for the chair? He said, $5. $5. And this is the picture taking area. All this stuff is about to get pictures taken. Got a couple digital cameras, some games, a bunch of games and movies. Everybody sees Strawberry Shortcake over there and the Transformer from yesterday, and one of the processors in the book. Lights are pretty easy to come on. I think I'm too far apart, so I'm gonna actually put a light over the top, but hopefully that'll work out great. This chair is just in the way. These buckets are just in the way. This is eBay stuff that I've been dragging this way from in the house that it needs pictures taken and listed. That bucket on the bottom is from an auction. It's just a bunch of junk. Let's see. That guy there is from the famous storage video. One of the few things I got out of it. Thanks, Dusty, for taking care of everything. He took care of a lot of clothes, and they donated and did that kind of stuff. That was storage units, if in case you didn't know, are a lot of work. And this table here is more. All this has got to go to. I'm checking the value on some of these for Amazon and eBay. The Wiggles. Most of that's eBay. This stereo here, I didn't want to take it from a guy at a yard sale. It's got another speaker under there and it's got the subwoofer, but the guy said $3. Man, how can you refuse $3? There's a Keurig for $5. That's got to test it. I buy a lot of these cordless handset answer machines and cordless phones. A lot of times people just want one phone, so I'm going to list them as the group, and I'll take the phones individually, so if someone wants to split it apart, they can split it apart. Let's see. There's the one donate box I was mentioned, but there's another one on the other side just like it. Alright. And one of the better things I did was everybody see the extension cord in the ceiling. It is a retractable extension cord, and it's got a plug on the end. It's got 3 prongs on it. Because I didn't want cords laying on the floors, because I got chairs on wheels. I'll be rolling the hand carts in. Didn't want to trip over them, so that turned out to be a great idea. I had them install an extra outlet there so that I could run that extension cord. I think it was like $70 on Amazon, but it's got a 50-foot cord, so it'll actually reach out into the driveway. So if I was running who knows what I'd be running out there. Vacuum cleaner for a car. If I'm cleaning up the van, I can vacuum out the van out there, but the car wash down the street gives you free vacuuming, so you probably won't see me doing that. Let's see, anything else? Those shirts were from this weekend. I didn't show them in the haul video. They're freshly dry cleaned Columbia shirts for $1. I'm like, all right, twist my arm, $1. And I don't know if I showed the purple baseball bat or not. That was something the yard sales too a couple weeks ago for $2. All right, that's it. Hope you guys are having a nice middle of the week Wednesday. I'm gonna get the work sticking this video online so that y'all have some kind of entertainment from the Bearded Picker, because I know you're looking for. My people are looking forward to hearing from the Bearded Picker. Probably not, but that's okay. Hey, do the YouTube stuff since I can't see you. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. You never want to be without knowing when the Bearded Picker's around. All right, see you guys tomorrow morning.